Hey everyone, Anya here at Our Gabled Home, where I like to share tips for a simple, beautiful, healthy, and sustainable living. And in today's video, I want to show you how I cleaned the cast iron grates of our gas stove. I love to cook, and I have to admit that we've had the stove for a little bit more than 10 years, and I've never cleaned it. So recently I was looking at it, and it was really grimy. If you've also been following along on my channel, you know that I don't like to use harsh, toxic cleaners in our home. I like to keep things very simple and non-toxic, so I set out to figure out how I can clean this stove with really simple cleaners. And it's actually surprisingly simple, so let me show you how I did that. So as I said, there was a lot of grime from cooking, from frying foods where things splatter, and kids cooking on the stove and things dropping, and we probably did just some quick wipes, but no real thorough cleaning. And what I used for the cleaning is, and I'm going to show you how I did that, I used a combination of suds because that's a detergent. It helps cut through everything that's caked on. I used vinegar because that also cuts through grease, and it's really caked on, and it's been, when it's hot and it sits on there and it splatters and it doesn't get cleaned. And then I use the Bon Ami powder cleanser because it's very gently abrasive. And to protect my hands, I use gloves, and I used an old toothbrush. This is a recycled toothbrush from yogurt cups, and I always like to save our old toothbrushes whatever they are because it really gets into all the little nooks and crannies, and then you can really do a good job. So let's do this together. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And you can also go to my blog at ourgabledhome.com, where I have more tips and recipes for a natural living. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you here next time.